Hey, so if you're using ClickUp with a team and you're not fully sure how roles and permissions work, don't worry. In this guide, I'll explain how to use ClickUp roles and permissions in 2026 step by step so your workspace stays organized and secure. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where all role and permission settings are managed. Now, ClickUp has a few main roles you should know about. There's the owner, admins, members, and guests. The owner has full control over the workspace, including billing and permissions. Admins can manage spaces, settings, and team members, while members focus mainly on tasks and daily work. Guests are usually external users with limited access. Choosing the right role is really important. For example, you don't want everyone changing workspace settings. That can get messy fast. Assign admin roles only to people who actually need control, like team leads or managers. Permissions in ClickUp also work at different levels. You can control access at the space, folder, list, or even task level. This means someone can be part of your workspace but only see specific projects. It's perfect for teams working on different clients or departments. You can also fine-tune what people can do. For example, you can allow someone to comment but not edit or view tasks without changing statuses. This helps protect important workflows while still allowing collaboration. For guests, permissions are even more limited. You can invite them to specific tasks or lists and decide whether they can edit or just leave comments. This works great for clients, freelancers, or contractors. One quick tip: review roles and permissions regularly. As teams grow and projects change, access can easily become outdated. A quick check now and then keeps your ClickUp workspace clean and secure. And that's basically it. When roles and permissions are set up properly, ClickUp becomes a powerful, safe, and well-structured system for any team. If this video helped you out, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or anyone managing ClickUp. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.